Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we have given an expression 8 divided 4 bracket 1 plus 1. So let's start with today's video solutions. So people started from solving left to right and they get 8 divided by 4, then 1 plus 1, 8 divided by 4, 2 and bracket 1 plus 1. Then 2 times 1 is 2 plus 2 times 1 is 2, which is equals to 4. This is the correct answer, but the approach is wrong. It will sometimes give you the correct, but not every time. So you have to follow certain rules. So here I am going to use PEMDAS rule or PEDMAS rule. Here you can give priority to multiplication first or division or addition or subtraction in case. So 8 divided by 4 and 1 plus 1. So first you have to solve the parenthesis, that is bracket, which is 1 plus 1, 2, and there's a multiplication sign. Now from solving left to right, 8 divided by 4 times 2, which is equals to 2 times 2, which is 4. I know in both the cases the answer is 4, but you have to learn the approach. That will take you always the correct answer. I hope it's clear and you learned something new. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.